how to set up cloud setting on your computer. I will send you a file just like this, no? Through Google Drive link. So itong Cloudflare na .exe na to, mahaba, you copy and paste it on your Drive C. Ito, sa Drive C root directory. And then yung CloudBot at saka yung Cloud RDP, you copy and paste it on your desktop, just like this one. And then double click mo yung muna yung may gear, yung CloudBot. I-rename mo if you like to rename it. So you should see this, no? Wag niyo i-close yan, i-minimize lang. And then yung RDP, i-right click mo, show more option, edit. Now, this is default, wag mo nang gagalawin yan. Ang gagalawin mo lang if kung gusto mong baguhin yung username. So edit and then more choices, use different account. You can put your username, halimbawa, ayan, tapos the password, save, connect. Ito, i-check nyo lahat kasi mga features yan. No? And then ready to connect. Yan, cloud na po ito. Ito na po yung cloud. That's how you connect. Thank you. Bye.